Fine. The problem number 13 and missing character. Let us solve this. See what number should replace the question mark. Right here 9, 2 and as well as 5. So 13 we should get, and 6, 9, 18. We should get 36. The same pattern we are supposed to adapt here. So what we can do, see by observing this, 9 2s are 18, 9 into 2 which is going to be 18, and when you subtract this number, that is 5, we are going to get 13. Right here the same procedure we will adapt. So 9 into 6, that is going to be 56 minus 18, 56, 9 6 are 54, not 56, right? 54 minus 18 will get 36, right? The same procedure we will adopt now. 8 into 7, which is 56 minus 15, 41. The answer is 41.